We got KitKats from the KitKat chocolatory? That sounds so weird. Chocolateria? It's chocolatory. Hey guys, we just got back from Japan and of course we brought back some KitKats.
This is a brand new one.
What is it called?
A Sublime Ruby. Apparently it's a new type of chocolate.
So this ruby chocolate is the first new type of chocolate they've discovered in 80 years.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of crazy that no new chocolate has ever been created since then.
Now there are 4 types of chocolate. White, milk, dark, and ruby.
So today we're going to taste this as well as the other KitKats that we brought back.
Okay.
Alright, so here is the ruby KitKat. You know, I feel like it should taste like strawberry or something. But you're going to go ahead. Go for it.
Okay.
Go for it. So to me, it tastes like white chocolate.
A little bit, but a
then
little
there's like
tart.
a tart taste to it, which is odd. Because I feel like I want it to taste like strawberry or something like that. But instead,
But it's not
like white chocolate,
no,
a
but
tart
it's
white
not
chocolate.
Quite a white chocolate either.
Kinda. It's closer to white than it is other chocolates. So yeah, I would say the taste is kind of like white chocolate, but with a tart kind of berry-ish like aftertaste.
I feel like it's in between white and milk chocolate.
Definitely worth a try. I think I still prefer dark chocolate if I had to pick one of the 4. Let's try some of these other flavors that we brought back. Next up is Sublime Matcha. Whoa, this is it's so matcha.
So matcha.
So matcha. The matcha is very strong on this.
Yeah, this is stronger than any other matcha green tea you've tried. And I feel like you can see, if you look at it closely, you could see the bit, it's still there.
Like the matcha
it
bits.
hasn't been ground down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we had never seen these kinds of KitKats until we visited the chocolatory, and it was basically a counter that had all these really beautifully packaged KitKats where you could buy them a stick at a time.
Wait, did you try it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Next up, we found these 4 special ones at the chocolatory as well. We have pistachio and raspberry, matcha and kinako, strawberry and maple, and butter.
This butter be good. It looks like a white chocolate.
It doesn't taste like butter. It tastes like a sweet cream.
It's in there, but you really have to look for it.
Next up, matcha and kinako. What's kinako? This is a much more subtle matcha flavor.
Yeah, but there's something else in there. What is that?
Kinako. Roasted soybean flour. It's like green powdery stuff. They use it in mochi a lot. Strawberry maple. Is it better to break it before you open it or break it after? Tastes like a very familiar strawberry candy.
Haichu?
Tastes like a strawberry haichu. Alright, so before we do the pistachio and raspberry one, I want to show you these 5 special I Heart Fruits ones that we also found at the chocolatory. We've never seen these before. There are 5 different flavors: raspberry, yuzu, passion fruit, strawberry, and blueberry. Because we have this and another raspberry flavor one, we're going to try
raspberries.
all 3 raspberries together. Special, pistachio, and raspberry.
Yeah.
I don't really like pistachios.
It's green.
So more pistachio. Pistachio gross. I immediately taste pistachio.
And not so much
Raspberry is an after. Yeah, kind of the afterthought. So it hits you with pistachio, and then as the flavor lingers, it disappears, and then the tart raspberry flavor is there.
And it's like a raspberry jelly kind of
I think
flavor.
it might be on the wafer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're gonna try one that is just raspberry, right?
I don't know what it says, but it looks really familiar. I think this might be the adult sweetness version of the raspberry.
So if you didn't know, KitKat flavors in Japan, they even have them broken down to like the type of flavoring. Like they have adult strawberry
And men's
strawberry.
I don't know about men's strawberry, but they have men's dark chocolate, I think.
But then they have like a kids version too, right? That's like
A regular version and then
Regular
adult version.
so one that is like
And-
maybe more
And different regions.
sophisticated palates. So let's see how
It's
sophisticated.
a little bit less sweet.
I like this one. It's a very
Very tart.
subtle
At the end.
and tart raspberry flavor. The chocolate is not overly sweet. You just kind of get the texture, and then the tartness hits you at the end. Lastly, we're gonna try the I Heart Fruits raspberry. All of the special ones you get at the Chocolatory
Singles.
come in singles. What's up with that? I can't break it. I
Because
can't do
they
anything.
expensive.
This is like a singles mini too.
Give me a second. You can taste chocolate more on this one. I don't know if I like it. It's
It's weird.
weird. It doesn't feel as mixed.
Okay, before finishing off the I Heart Fruits, we have a few other ones that we're going to eat. Let's start with
Sake.
sake.
Taste the sake.
Wow. That is like having a shot of sake in solid form. It's weird, you almost even get the, you know when you take a shot and you get the not burning sensation, but that kind of like...
The dryness, or it sucks up all the moisture out.
Yeah. You get that when you eat it. Now we're gonna have the wasabi.
You were gonna
Like,
say that.
wasabi!
Wasabi.
Wasabi!
I felt like you were thinking it.
Okay, I'm gonna have the wasabi. Oh yeah, it kind of creeps up on you. I'm glad this isn't as strong as that sake.
This is an aftertaste.
Yeah, but I'm glad it doesn't hit me like the sake one, because if you get that same sensation of like clear your sinuses with wasabi.
I like it.
Next up is these, I don't know what they're called. I forgot what they're called. They're these red
Monichi.
bean... Monichi?
Monichi?
Monchichi?
No. There's two words that start with the M.
They're red bean cakes kind of shaped as a maple leaf. And
Hiroshima
they were,
edition.
yeah, they were a specialty in Hiroshima when we were there. They gave them to us at the hotel. Ooh, it smells like red bean. Wow. You don't like red bean at all.
Not. Peanuts.
It tastes like peanuts more than it does red bean.
No, I taste the red bean.
Really? I taste peanuts.
No. It smells like peanuts and tastes like red bean.
I feel like it smells like red bean but tastes like peanuts.
You're wrong.
So if you like peanuts and or red bean, you may not or may like these. And we're gonna try these, I don't know what these are. Some sort of cake.
I looked at it. Yeah, I looked it up. I can't find it.
And what were you saying about this bear?
This bear is an icon from the area that got affected by the earthquake and tsunami.
Oh.
I think this is a way for them to give back.
So
Or
anything
give-
with
or
this,
help.
any package that has this.
There's a few KitKats that have this bear on it. And they help with the restoration. What the hell is that?
That's the bear. So I don't know what kind of cake this is. It almost looks like a hamburger in the photo.
A bear burger.
A bear burger. But I'm gonna taste it and see if I can describe it to you. You want the bigger one or the littler one? I taste cheese. Is that not what it tastes like? Is that not cheese? What does that taste? Is it a fruit that I don't like?
It also tastes like red bean to me.
No, I don't taste the red bean.
There's red bean in there. For real, there's red bean.
What is that flavor? If you do want to find out what flavor this is, we're going to have it on the blog, so be sure to check out the link below. We'll list everything out and they'll have photos with them. I don't know what this one was, but I don't like it. Alright, last one. Of these we have what I would assume is baseball flavored, because there's a baseball on it and it's a blue packaging, but apparently it is citrus.
Golden citrus blend.
Golden
with
citrus
lemon.
blend.
There are 3 types of...
Probably lemon, orange, and yuzu. Wow. I like this one. It's tangy.
It tastes like orange wafers. I'm gonna end with yuzu. Start with strawberry. Middle blueberry. Let's do it.
We got 4 left.
I don't know. You can taste the chocolate a lot more in these. It's weird because it's called I Love Fruit, so you would think that it would taste more like the fruits, but it has a stronger chocolate flavor than any of the other KitKats with the same flavor.
Passion fruit.
This one's super tart.
Woo!
I like it. Blueberry.
Blueberry could go either way. It could be sweet or it could be very tart.
Sweet.
Sweet for sure. Super tart ending on that one.
Almost tastes like I'm just eating a fruit.
This one I feel like is the strongest fruit flavor of all of them. Let us know if you get a chance to try any of these or the ruby chocolate. I want to hear your thoughts. Is this a contender in the top chocolate types? Tell us what other KitKat flavors we need to try in the comments below, and we'll see you guys later.